Okay. What are we doing today, ladies and gentlemen of the jury? I think the jury's still out on that one. I might cut that log to length today. Got a few deadheads to get rid of, but widowmakers. That's another really straight one. Might be a bit too thick though. Same with that one, way too big. Way too big. Well, those two, however, fine. Same with that one. I don't know why that one don't come down. That one widowmaker there, my goodness. Maybe work for that one. Okay, so I think we'll clean up this area a bit. Take out that one. These little ones here. This one. I'll take out those two. And this one, eh? And then I can work on cleaning up this area. First thing, of course, will be to clean the ground up a bit and figure out exactly where the cabin's going. And yeah. Okay, we got a game plan for the day. Okay, I got a few more cut down. That really opened it up quite a bit. I got a bunch more logs to cut up. So, but unfortunately my chainsaw decided to quit again today, so I hate that thing. It's brand new and it's a piece of shit. Oh well, here's what it is. Okay guys, talk to you later.